This is Tony Baca, Senior Vice President of Safety with Berglund Construction Company. And this week's Safety Toolbox talk is about recognizing a hazard. What we have here is a mass excavation. It's about 55 to 60 feet in length, and once complete this first phase of 3, it will be 44 feet deep on a major boulevard here in the city. So when I talk about recognizing a hazard, let's just talk a little bit about excavations. Excavations are the 4th leading killer in the construction industry. So as you can see, we had to hire on Michaels. And Michaels is an engineering firm that does deep excavations like this, and they've come in and they've done all kinds of shoring and lagging on both elevations to hold back the terrain on the outside of this excavation as we continue to dig deeper. But also you can see how they've stabilized all of their pilasters so that this thing cannot collapse in. So we have nice engineering going on here. Also, look at what we have over here. We have a crane. So any rigging and applications that go down into the hole or need to come out of the hole, we have a crane. And there's all kinds of hazards that are posed with the crane. And we have that inside of our site fence. We have the swing radius protected. We have their pick plan. We have the operator's credentials. We have the annual inspection on the crane. So we've got excavations, we've got cranes. Right on the outside of my Jersey barricades here is the city sidewalk. So we have heavy flow of pedestrians going on this elevation, and then on the other side of these Jersey barricades we have vehicular flow. So much planning has gone into effect here in the city with pedestrian and vehicular permits and protections implemented. Now, all of this came into an existence in a pre-construction safety plan to recognize the hazards associated with the vastness of this scope. This is a 3-year term in 3 phases that'll take place, and once we even reach that elevation of 44 feet and we have men down working on the tunnel that we're trying to get at underneath, which has water infiltration issues, there will be 24/7 water removal here forever, because the lake is not far from here and we've got water issues here. Once again, going down into that depth, you can consider that a confined space. So just think about all the things that we're talking about in this video and how many hazards that we're looking at in this particular safety video. And that is the importance of job site audits weekly. Safety directors stopping by job sites to give them another set of eyes, looking at egress routes, getting in, getting out, monitoring atmospheres. There's so much to talk about on a job and a task such as this here. So this week, let's talk a little bit about what's going on our projects, and let's talk about all the hazards associated with the tasks that we're doing on our projects, and then the engineering controls to rid ourselves of those exposures. Let's have a safe day. Let's have a safe week. Thank you.